Grandpa, are we going to grow sweet peaches today?
Let's discover the magical journey of a peach together.
This orchard looks like a magical pink garden.
It does, Khadija. Every beautiful peach begins its journey right here among these blossoms.
Grandpa, this peach looks so beautiful. Let's discover how nature grows this
Amazing fruit from the very beginning.
Where did peach first come from?
Peaches first grew in China, Khadija, where the cool climate helps peach trees thrive.
Grandpa, why prepare the soil first?
Healthy soil helps peach roots grow strong and absorb water easily.
Grandpa, is our peach tree ready?
Yes, plant it gently, and its roots will grow strong.
Grandpa, is this enough water?
Perfect! Water helps the young roots settle and grow.
What's happening underground?
The roots are growing, drinking water, and feeding the young tree.
Grandpa, look! A tiny shoot!
Wonderful! Our peach tree is growing stronger every day.
Grandpa, our peach tree looks bigger now.
Yes, with sunshine, water, and care, it grows stronger every day.
Grandpa, the leaves are so green.
Healthy leaves make food, helping the peach tree grow strong.
Grandpa, the rain feels so nice.
Yes, gentle rain gives our peach tree a healthy drink.
Grandpa, are these tiny flowers?
Almost. These buds will soon bloom into beautiful peach blossoms.
Grandpa, the blossoms are so beautiful.
Soon, these flowers will become delicious peaches.
Why is the bee visiting every flower?
It carries pollen, helping the flowers grow into peaches.
Yes, but don't worry.
We'll protect it naturally.
Grandpa, is neem spray safe for our tree?
Yes, it protects the tree while being kinder to nature.
Is that our first peach?
Yes, every peach begins this small.
There are so many little peaches. One,
Yes, soon they'll grow bigger with sunshine and care.
the peaches are growing so fast.
Yes, every sunny day helps them grow bigger and sweeter.
The peaches changed color.
That's nature's sign they're almost ready to harvest.
Grandpa, they smell sweet and look perfect.
Yes, our peaches are fully ripe and ready for harvest.
Grandpa, we picked our first peaches.
Yes, gentle hands keep every peach fresh and delicious.
Grandpa, the peaches look shiny now.
Clean, sorted peaches stay fresh and ready to enjoy.
Grandpa, look how juicy it is inside.
Yes, every ripe peach has sweet flesh and one hard pit. Peaches give us vitamins, fiber, and healthy energy.
Wow, peaches make so many tasty treats.
Yes, they're delicious fresh or in many healthy recipes.
Sharing peaches makes everyone happy.
That's the sweetest fruit of all, sharing with others.
Grandpa, is a peach a berry?
It's a stone fruit because it has one hard pit. Nature teaches us something wonderful every day.
Like, subscribe, and tell us which fruit to grow next.